Jamen altså, hvis jeg gik 50 meter, så var jeg rigtig ømt i knæet, og det var altså, der var sådan en konstant snurren i knæet, uro hele tiden. Man kunne ikke finde ro i knæet.
He was sent to me because he had tried the other things out of work for half a year, and there was no more they could do for him. So I thought, okay. So we tried it, and he was keen on it. And 1 year later, it's obvious that it's coming out well. What I think was good with it, that was you making it customized. So it's addressing his lesion, his anatomic proportions in the knee. So I don't have to have a lot of prosthesis. It's enough with one prosthesis that matches that lesion and his anatomic need.
Jeg startede på mit gamle job som tømrer 3 måneder efter operationen, uden problemer.
I was very astonished the day after the operation. He said, I haven't had any tranquilizer. I have slept this night and this was the last time he used the tranquilizer. That was astonishing. It was like that.
Men altså, jeg er en helt ny person igen. Altså, jeg er glad igen og har mere energi og overskud og det hele. Fordi altså, før jeg kunne næsten ikke engang holde til at spille fodbold med min dreng, og det vil han jo gerne, og det er jo ikke sjovt, når man ikke kan det. Nu er der ingen problemer.